How to add Google Task with Gemini. So in this video, we will show you the task automation with this Gemini AI that recently launched. So for example, you can head over to gemini.google.com and make sure that you're currently logged in to your Google account. Now you can see in here this that you can ask Gemini. So on some cases, you can actually use the Google services such as YouTube, Gmail, and the likes. I have in here this prompt. I'd make a presentation about lions on my to-do list slash task. Let me head over and then send it to our actual Gemini. And as you can see, it integrates it into our Google Task. You can click onto this open task option and you should be able to actually see that this particular prompt that we have added earlier is now added into our Google Task. As you can see right here, we have in here our task and we have in here make a presentation about lions. So as you can see, Google Gemini is actually a great assistant in order to manage everything that Google has to offer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.